Kia ora koutou tawhakahua whānau. Recently I had an issue with my camera where everything looked really blurry through the viewfinder, and I've also heard of others having this issue as well. I thought my camera was damaged because not long before that I had dropped it, fell off the kitchen bench onto the floor, and I broke my nifty 50. But I noticed things were looking a little blurry through the viewfinder, but the photos were still sharp. So I thought, oh my gosh, what's going on here? And it's not something you might immediately think of to fix the issue, but it is a really simple fix. And it comes down to your diopter adjustment, this little dial here next to the viewfinder. If you notice that when you look through the viewfinder, everything looks a bit blurry or strains your eyes or looks difficult to see or doesn't look quite as sharp as you expect it to, given that you've got a great camera in your hand, it may well be your diopter. It's just an adjustment here which adjusts for your eyesight to give you the perfect, sharpest image in the viewfinder. So whenever you do pick up a new camera or you notice the issue develop in your camera, it may well be that the diopter needs to be adjusted, or it may have been knocked and needs to be reset back to where you had it previously. Hey, that's it, real quick, just to give you a tip. If your viewfinder is blurry or not as sharp as you expect it to be, check your diopter. Check your diopter. It took me a while. I was scratching my head. I had to scratch it on both sides, but I finally got there. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.